Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Morningstar. To begin, navigate to the Morningstar website and create a free account or login. The homepage provides a quick overview of market performance and top news. You can easily search for specific investments using the search bar at the top of the page. This is your gateway to a wealth of financial information, helping you make informed decisions right from the start. Once you've searched for an investment, you'll find a detailed page with various tabs. Explore the Quote tab for current prices and key statistics. The Performance tab shows historical returns, while Portfolio breaks down holdings. Pay close attention to Morningstar's star ratings and analyst reports for expert opinions. Use the comparison tool to evaluate similar investments effectively. Morningstar's Portfolio Manager allows you to track all your investments in one place. You can manually add holdings or link your brokerage accounts for automatic updates. Generate custom reports to analyze your portfolio's asset allocation, sector exposure, and overall performance. This helps you identify areas for rebalancing and ensures your portfolio aligns with your financial goals. For deeper insights, consider Morningstar Premium, which unlocks advanced screening tools, in-depth research reports, and exclusive data. The site also offers extensive educational content, including articles and videos, to enhance your investment knowledge. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Continuously learning and utilizing these resources will empower your investment journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.